channel. And here we are going to learn another new sentence today. So today we are going to learn how to say I would like a kilogram of vegetable, potato, tomato, maybe chicken or fish. These are simple sentences that one could use in their daily life. So we already learned that I is je. I is je. Would like is voudrais. Would like is voudrais. Repeat after me to learn better, okay? And 1 kilo is ang kilo. 1 is translated as ang, and kilo is just kilo. So it's ang kilo. And vegetable is pronounced as legume. Vegetable is pronounced as legume. And tomato is tomat. Tomato is tomat. Potato is patat. Potato is patat. So these are two easy words to remember. They almost have the same type of spellings and same type of pronunciation, not so different. And chicken is poulet. Chicken is poulet. And fish is poisson. Poisson. So how do you tell I would like 1 kilo of potato? Je voudrais 1 kilo de patates. Je voudrais 1 kilo de patates. And we're going to refresh some of what we've already learned. How to speak French. Comment parler français? I can speak French. Je peux parler français. So that brings us to the end of this video. And parlez français avec moi. À bientôt. See you in my next video, and I hope you learned a new sentence again. Try and practice them so that you remember them. Have a nice day.